Think you can outrun a bird? Let's count down the top 10 fastest birds in the world. 10. Common swift. Flies up to 69 miles per hour, and here's the crazy part, it can stay in the air for 10 months without landing. 9. Gray-headed albatross. Cruises at 79 miles per hour, riding ocean winds for thousands of miles without stopping. 8. Canvasback duck. This diving duck can clock 73 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest waterfowl. 7. Red-breasted merganser, a sleek fish hunter that hits 80 miles per hour, built like a torpedo. 6. Spur-winged goose, soars at 88 miles per hour, and fun fact, its meat can be toxic due to what it eats. 5. Frigate bird, hits 95 miles per hour, and can stay aloft for weeks, barely ever touching land. 4. White-throated needletail, the fastest flapping bird, reaching 105 miles per hour, powered only by wing beats. 3. Gyrfalcon, the Arctic's powerhouse falcon, diving at 130 miles per hour to snatch prey mid-air. 2. Golden eagle, can dive at 150 miles per hour, strong enough to take down foxes, even small deer. 1. Peregrine falcon, the ultimate speed demon. In a hunting stoop, it dives over 240 miles per hour, making it the fastest animal on Earth. Which bird blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more wild facts.